Hello guys, come and style this hair with me. So this is not my usual detailed tutorial. This is just me sharing this revamping and blood cut styling with you guys on my YouTube channel. So if you would like me to drop a detailed tutorial on how I achieved this look, I'm open to that. You can just drop your comments in the comment section. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell in case I drop the detailed tutorial.
Boys they glance, now Stephanie touch, now it makes sense. See my girls, see my waves, my braids they shiny, know they shift. Stephanie Empire with the rain. Oh yeah, wine make you turn up. New hair they make you show up. Stephanie Empire, we know door. We go flex, we go ball.
Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you all in my next video. Bye. Have a blessed day.